Yo, what's up, everybody? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Hey, my headphones are slapping right now. Let me turn this down a little bit. I can't hear myself think. There we go. All right. Let the music fade for a second. Bam. There we go. What's up, everybody? In case you didn't know, you can't kill roaches. Anybody know anything about cockroaches? Do y'all know? Do y'all know about cockroaches? Well, you can't kill them too easy. What's up, y'all? Cockroaches don't die too easy. Okay? You didn't know, now you know. People like me, we're like them cockroaches, okay? We don't go away easy. Anybody who know any French? Feel free to translate the background. What's up, y'all? I'm Keith. This is Crypto After Dark. I'm glad to see everybody. It's Tuesday. I'm ready to make some money. We made some money today already. Made some money yesterday. Made some money the day before that. Made some money the day before that. Hope you guys have made money as well. Glad to see everybody back. It's been a couple weeks. Hey, why? Well, it's pretty simple. Every once in a while, let me get this out though. Let me just take this jumper and get this one out the way real quick. Every once in a while, someone comes along and doesn't like the success that you have. Okay? I don't know why people don't like to see people be successful. Right? Doesn't make sense to me. But ever so often, someone comes along who just hates success. Okay? So, at some point, people get so obsessed with the fact that they're not as successful as you or as someone else that they think they have to take it to the next level. Okay? And you guys saw the disclaimer before I started. It's real simple. It says right there, anyone who attempts to slander these videos or take possession of said videos or perhaps deface me or deface the name will face legal action. I'll let y'all put the rest of the pieces together on that one. Okay? So, if you want to swing, you better knock me out. That's a saying I like to say around here, okay? If you're going to swing, you better knock me out because I'm going to get up, all right? And when I get up, you better run because I'm like a cockroach, okay? I don't die easy. I survive. What did Kelly Slade say? Survive nuclear wars, okay? You think you're going to stop me? Think you're going to stop me? You're incorrect. Thank you, Matt. I know Matt's multilingual. He knows what it says. All right. So, it's been a couple weeks. Sorry, but let's get on into it. Now, I know the market has been red. Sorry. Welcome to the real world where nothing goes up forever. You had 7 months of up. You finally got a little bit of down. Sorry it hurts your feelings, okay? Too bad. Now, let's go through the names of the people who are in here already, and then we'll jump into some stuff, okay? I got some shit we need to talk about. All right, let's do it. All right, so what's up, Jeremy, my cousin? What's up, Pops, his dad? What's up, Frank? What's up, Molek? Glad to see you again, brother. Electric Ken, as always, what's up? Kelly Slade, yo, glad to see you. Rob, not that Rob, not this Rob, a different one. Benjamin Patino, what's up, my friend? William Childers, I see you. Ali, we were just on the Zoom. Beverly, what's up? You got to step on them. That don't kill them either, bro. Jude, what's up, man? Been waiting. Yeah, I'm sorry. Diving on Crown tonight. I'm on Evan Williams Cherry tonight. Ooh, that was loud. Evan Williams Cherry. Okay. Oh, gosh, it's good. Oh, gosh. Tristan, what's up? Jared Sosa, glad to see you. Nomad, my man. All right. Anyone speak French? I speak French Canadian. Well, you know what it says, bro. All right. So, I get this asked me all the time or said to me all the time that everything just follows Bitcoin. Okay. It's time to release the laziness. All right. Because in my opinion, saying that everything follows Bitcoin is flat out incorrect and lazy. Okay? Does the market occasionally follow Bitcoin and everything follows Bitcoin? Yes. Does that always happen? No, it does not. Okay? Things change. The market's constantly moving. I'm about to show you a bunch of charts that aren't flat. And if they were flat, that would be an indication that everything is following Bitcoin. However, that's not the case. Okay? You're going to see a lot of charts with a lot of movement. If that's the case, then that doesn't mean anything is following Bitcoin like you're saying it is. Okay? That's lazy, and we're not lazy here, okay? We're not going to be the lazy people on streams and the lazy people who are out here who are I'm sorry, hold on, I saw a funny comment. Oh, I'm sorry. We're not going to be the lazy people who just say it just follow Bitcoin and that's it, right? Okay, so here's one of the charts I wanted to show you. This is Strong. The ticker is Strong. Strong USDT. It's Strong block token. Funny comment. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm trying to get my face straight, but that shit was funny, y'all. China Matt's stupid, y'all. Hold on. Whoo. That was good, bro. I'm going to drink to that one. Maybe that'll refocus me. All right, here we go. Strong Protocol, Strong Block. Basically what Strong Block is, a company who creates nodes as a service. All right? These nodes as a service are used to verify Ethereum transactions privately. Okay? They're used to privately verify transactions. Okay? So basically what they're asking you to do is you front the money for the node and the monthly fee, and for that you reap the rewards. Okay? As verified transactions happen, you get the same reward every day for your node, no matter what, and it's based on the price of the token. Okay? Right now the token is $164.35. So one node roughly comes out to 10% ROI. All right? So you're going to get roughly $16.43 per day per node. All right? It costs 10 strong to make a node. That would be $1,643. All right? Simple enough. So that means you make 1% of your investment per day. You make 10% of one strong per day. So it takes 100 days plus a little bit, maybe 103 or 4 days to get your money back. Okay? It's a 100-day investment, 100-day return of investment. That's called ROI, return of investment. Okay? Simple enough. So as you create this node, you reap your rewards. As your rewards accrue, you can create more nodes because you're making 10% a day. So roughly after 10 days, you have one strong. You need 10 strong to make another node. So 100 days, you can make another node. So I'm going to give you an example of what I did in a second. But first, let's get into the chart, okay? So as you see right here, I've got the chart pulled up. I've got a Fibonacci retracement pulled on it. As you see, it's right at the 786 Sniper Alley's line, okay? It's right there. Can't get any more dead nuts accurate than that. It's perfectly off of the 786. Not only is it off of the 786, but it's right at R1. Now, interestingly enough, look, the pivots are about to run out on strong block here, okay? So once these pivots run out, they're going to reset, and the pivot line is going to come all the way up here, okay? Makes sense? That's going to happen tomorrow, it looks like, or the day after. This pivot line is going to shift way up here. And when that happens, this thing is going to have to get above this 164 or threaten to fall down back to this trend line. Now, as you see lately, this thing has held this trend line very well. However, there is another line right here that was coming downward, and you see we recently broke that. Broke that and popped off north of it in the last couple days here. This is just the daily. I'm going to scroll through some stuff here and show you some more stuff about this. It's going to give you some more detail, all right? I like seeing things bounce off the pivot, first of all, and it did that. It failed to break R1, but it's taking another swipe at it now. It gives me thought that this is going to try to push through R1 and get up here toward 181. And as you see, the previous high over here is $200. However, that's not the all-time high. I don't like to start on dailies. I like to start higher. I like to start on the monthly and the weekly. Okay, so we don't have good data on here on TradingView because this is just a KuCoin chart. Okay, but you see right here, The previous high was about 300, 312, something like that, 314. So I'm just going to mark it real quick as all-time high, right? And you see that? It lines up almost perfectly with the 1414. If this breaks out of this 786 and 886 can make it through Sniper's Alley, there's a neckline here to break. And after it breaks this said neckline, because there's an inverse head and shoulders forming right here, I mark that too. That's going to go for one of these profit zones here. Which one is it going to hit? Well, I feel like that's some foreshadowing right there on that 1414. Okay? I feel like that's some foreshadowing. Now, I mentioned that there's an inverse head and shoulders here. Let me pull this Fibonacci retracement off so it's nice and clean chart, because everybody complains when it's not a perfectly clean chart. Let's draw. I was already on CoinTrader here. I thought I was on TradingView, but I'm not. I was already on CoinTrader. Thank you, Benjamin Patino. I appreciate that, brother. But right here we have a head, a shoulder, a head, and we're forming another shoulder over here now. Okay? That would be our neckline. You could maybe argue that the neckline is down here. I'd buy that. One of the two. One of the two. Either way, this is a bullish formation. I'm looking for this formation to push up here toward this line. If we can get up here toward this line and break it, we're going to head for the next one. All right. Yes, there's a zone of resistance right here, but this is the last one. Okay. After this zone of resistance, we're all going to float around in here. Then we're all-time high and above. Okay. I like that a lot. Now that's daily. Let's go to weekly. As you see, we still don't have much data. When we don't have much data like this, we have to stick to the lower time frames. Sorry, that's the way it is. Okay. So we've seen the USD chart, which is what this is. By the way, real quick, Strong Protocol is all done on Ethereum network. So everything is converted off of Uniswap or MXC or KuCoin to a USDT pair. All right. That's where it's getting the data from, because Uniswap only does Ethereum transactions. So it has to convert it for you. So the numbers are a touch off, but they're pretty close. Okay. They're pretty close. So we've seen the USD chart. Now I'm going to show you the Bitcoin chart versus Strong Protocol so that we can see whether or not some of these charts have decoupled and quote unquote followed Bitcoin or not. All right. This is where the interesting stuff comes in. Okay. So let's go Strong. And as we see right here, we have a Bitcoin pair. I'm going to click that one. Okay. Versus Bitcoin, this thing had a long time from September 7th all the way to January 21st. It was in a bear market. Okay. It changed that and reversed the pattern by breaking and moving forward. Now, it's gone so far that it's broken the 50 fib, which we know is our continuation fib. Once we break that 50, we're most likely to continue that to the next one, which is going to be the 618, which is 006 sats. That's what we call that when we're going against a Bitcoin chart. That's 006 sats, Satoshis. As I told everyone, the first thing I like to do, though, is, yeah, we'll do that, Nick. The first thing I like to do, though, is just to simply do some resistance and support lines. Okay, I start at the top and I work my way down. All right, so the first line is going to be up here near all-time high. Obviously, I'll make them red. Fair enough, right? Next one, looks like I got some action right here. It was a candle, and a lot of wicks, right? So I bet there's some action there. And one more here, where we had two closings, it looks like, simultaneously, and a breakup and a failure, right? We could probably get down to a lower time frame and find some in here. Do we have any resistance in here? Doesn't look like it. Looks like there's no resistance right here. Where's our next line? Man, all the way down here. Oh, look. We've just recently broken this line, bounced off with a wick, and moved above it. Okay, very nice. What's next? Do we go down more? Well, our RSI is pointing up. That's pretty good. We got a green 821 cross right here. That's excellent. We have 2 over the 8 and the 21. That's excellent. The weekly chart looks really good versus Bitcoin, doesn't it? What does that mean? That means that the Strong chart is going to gain more steam than the Bitcoin chart in a weekly time frame. That means the strong price will increase faster than the Bitcoin price. So the exchange rate for strong would be better than the exchange rate for Bitcoin. Make sense? Good. All right, so where's it going to stop? In my opinion, somewhere up around 12,012 sats. Okay, 012 sats. 0.012. That leaves all of this room in here for the chart to go up, unimpeded basically, to slowly do whatever it wants all the way up here. What does that mean for Bitcoin? Okay. Does that mean Bitcoin's going down? Well, it could. Does that mean Strong's going up? Well, it could. We're not really sure. What we do know is that Strong is going to gain more value in a faster period of time than Bitcoin will. That's the purpose of this chart. Okay. That shows us that we have percentage gain versus Bitcoin, or it's not moving with Bitcoin. Got it? Good. All right, let's try an Ethereum chart. Because like I said, this is an ERC20 token, Ethereum token. Oh, look at this ERC20 chart. Versus Ethereum, it's making another bullish. What do we see here? What kind of bullish pattern do we see? Shoulder, head, shoulder. We see a neckline forming, a descending neckline. What appears to be right there. Some kind of neckline like that, kind of, sort of. Okay, yeah, there we go. There's a neckline. So we have shoulder, head, shoulder. It's descending. It's breaking the 21 weekly right now. In my opinion, once it gets past, let's do some resistance lines real quick. What say you? Don't want to do that. I want to do a horizontal line. Horizontal line tool is right here. Right there's one line. There's one line. It's a lot like Bitcoin, isn't it? Yep, it's pretty similar. So it looks like Strong is gaining steam versus Ethereum. Now, does that mean Strong is going up in price? Again, not necessarily. It could mean Ethereum is dropping and Strong is staying flat. Okay? Ethereum's dropping and Strong is staying flat. It could also mean that Ethereum is flat and Strong is gaining. Either way, the two are separating from each other or decoupling. Okay? That's what decoupling means. Like I told the fellas in the group, who are all over here in blue, they're over there cracking jokes at me right now. I told everybody over there, look for charts that are decoupling. If we can find some decoupling charts, we can see which ones are ahead, which ones are trying to get away. Okay? It's pretty cool. So, Strong Protocol looks to be decoupling in all phases. Not only is the USDT chart trending up, but the Bitcoin chart and the Ethereum chart are trending up. Hey, I'm with it. I'm with it. Okay? Now, I'm going to go into Strong Block and how it works. Okay? I'm going to give everybody a quick tutorial. This is their website. Strongblock.com. It's pretty simple. You got NFT sales, apps, and frequently asked questions. You can create a node if you'd like. Well, I'm going to show you the app. So we click on the app first. Here's our app. Shows your nodes running. It shows everything. Here's where your MetaMask wallet goes. And if you don't have MetaMask, it's a simple download. You click on MetaMask, right? You download it off of Google or Opera, whichever one you use. Save your seed phrases. It's going to be 12 secret phrases. Save them. Do not give them to anyone. Do you understand? Anyone. Not a moderator, not a help service. Nobody gets your seed phrases. Nobody. Nobody gets your seed phrases. You set up an Ethereum wallet, just like I got right here. You're going to send your Strong and from Strong or any Ethereum token to this address. Here's where you create your nodes. Okay, this is after you've created them. You want to create a node. Here's where they are. You can name it, whatever you want to name it. Let's go. Let's go Papa Nick Fresh is gay. And that means happy. And I'm going to say about my node. I just typed in random buttons, okay? I would click agree to pay my monthly $15 fee. That's our $15 fee, which is basically 1 day of earnings, okay? And I hit submit. After I hit submit, I've got 10 Strong tokens in my wallet, which I have. I have enough gas worth of ETH to do my transactions. If you don't know what that means, Here's a gas visualizer. Gas is the price to do Ethereum transactions right there, $1.22 plus the fee. Okay, so right now it takes 26 gas, 24 gas, somewhere in there. It's pretty darn cheap. Okay, once you've got 10 strong in your wallet and enough gas to cover the fees, you click submit. You've just created a node. Okay, simple as that. Now your nodes are going to make you roughly $16 a day, $15 a day, somewhere around in there, every single day. Obviously, I have 10 of them here. I also have an NFT staked. What is an NFT? It's a non-fungible token. Right here's the NFT pages. They have 3 for sale: silver, gold, and platinum. These are the ones they have for sale off market that are just on their website. They just got released, okay? If you'd like some more, there's some on OpenSea. What is OpenSea? OpenSea is an NFT marketplace. Okay, type in the strong block. Bam. Oh, look, here's bronze NFTs. So there are 4 different ones: bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. Okay. Here's your NFTs. Fair enough. They're 1/2 of an ETH, basically. 0.57, 0.64, 0.6, okay, 0.59, 0.6, all roughly half an ETH. What does that do? That boosts your production by 0.012 a day, which is roughly $1.70 a day extra, which is about 400 day ROI. But what that does is it gives you access to the new protocols that are going to be coming out, not just Ethereum nodes. They're going to be nodes for Sentinel, which is a decentralized VPN network. Okay, they're going to be running nodes for them, and they're working with 9 other companies. They're going to be producing nodes for some of them too. Okay, so basically you're going to be making nodes for these other companies, but you can only make them if you have an NFT in your wallet. Okay, I already have one, and I'm about to have another. Okay, so once you get these, it opens up protocols that aren't available yet, and they're going to cap the amount of nodes that can be made without an NFT soon. So you're going to have an NFT to make new nodes regardless. Okay, that's going to happen at some point. So unless you want to get in, you got to have an NFT. If you don't, you're not in anymore. Okay, you can get in right now still, but the time's running out. Not going to tell you what to do, but in my opinion, this is a good chance to diversify. Okay, obviously I don't do financial advice here. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just some jackass on the internet who shows you how to make money the best I can. Okay, so let's say you've got your nodes running, which obviously I do. Right here it says my rewards are 2.8 strong. Right now strong is 163.78. Let's do some simple quick math. 163.78 times, how much did I have? 2.88. 2.88. There you go. I have $471 worth of rewards. You're going to have to claim them to get them in your wallet. Okay, and the sucky thing about Ethereum network is everything costs a fee. Okay, sorry, that's life. So whenever you claim to your wallet, it's going to charge you right there. See, it says $53 to claim all of my nodes at one time. So it's roughly $5 per node. Okay, not terrible, not terrible. It could be better though. I don't have enough in there right now for me to claim. I'm not going to claim until it gets up higher. So I'm going to reject this transaction. But if you didn't reject it and you had enough gas in your wallet to cover the fees, like I do have enough, this amount right here would go into your MetaMask wallet, and you'd have, instead of me having 10.5, I would have roughly 13.7 or whatever. Okay. So like I said, I'm saving right now for a different NFT. I want to get one of these silvers, which is right here. Obviously that's 1.5 ETH and 7.5 strong. Now I just told you a second ago that strong block coin is moving farther and faster than Ethereum is right now. So I'm not going to have enough Ethereum to even worry about right now. Until that chart tops out, I'm not switching to Ethereum. I'm going to keep it in strong because strong is doing better, holding value better than Ethereum on the chart. Make sense? Good. So the question is, how much money did I put into this? Because I get asked that a lot. Well, how much did you put into that? How much did you do? Okay. I started these 3 nodes first. The first three that I did. Whichever ones. It says created, but that's not the actual correct. I started them at different. I went in and changed the names and stuff lately. They didn't used to say these names. I changed the names. They gave you the opportunity to do that, and I did that. But that's when I changed the date, okay? So these three nodes were the first ones I did. From these three nodes, I created all the rest. Okay, so there's only three that I ever started with. So I started with roughly, I want to say the first nodes I made were $750. Two of them. All right, and then the third one I want to say was $210 per coin, so that was like $2,000. So I want to say roughly $4,500. That's roughly what the three nodes cost me, $4,500. Like I said, that makes you about $16 a day. You know, not bad, right? How much money is that? Well, let's break it down. If you've got one node that right now is $16.3 times 30 days in a month, right? Well, let's just do 365. Well, no, I'll tell you what, we'll do monthly. Times 30 days. You made $500 in the month. Now, obviously, it costs $15 to run the node. So you made $474. So it costs you $1,600 to make. It makes you $474 a month. Not bad. About a 100-day ROI. Not too bad, right? Pretty good. I have 10. Okay, so that's 163 times 10, which is actually one strong a day. Well, no, hold on. Let's do this. Let's not do 163. We know I have 10 nodes that make 0.1 a day, which makes one strong total per day. We know that's 163. That's the better way to say this. 163 times 30 days in a month, $4,890 a month. That's what I make from strong nodes. I do nothing to make those. Understand? All I do is pay my little fee, and that's how much money I make a month per nodes. That's for all my nodes put together, that's how much money I make. Sorry, ear itched. In a bear market that's been going down for the last several months, $4,890 per month has been produced from Strong Block. It's not that complicated, everybody. You can diversify and make good money trying not to trade constantly. Okay? I made a note to say on one of the last streams that I did was don't overtrade. You don't have to make every trade. You don't have to catch every chart. You can't. Okay? You just can't. It's impossible. But what you can do is diversify so that not everything is always running hardcore at one time. Okay? Not everything is always going full speed at one time. This lets you do your own thing without having to worry about it. Okay? It's passive income. It's passive income. So this is going to make this amount of money until they cut rewards. Like Bitcoin halving, that may happen. But for order that to happen, the price has to go up. Okay, so the price is going to increase and then a halving will happen, which is still fine. I'm still going to make roughly what I'm making now, so I'm cool with it. I'm going to continue making nodes until they won't let me anymore. I'm going to get my passive income up as high as I can, okay, until they won't let me do it anymore. Now, what does the NFT do? Like I told you, it gives you early access to extra protocols. It gives you the ability to continue making Ethereum nodes when they stop you from having it. And it boosts the production. As you see right here, this is 0.2849. The one with the NFT attached to it is 0.3206 per day. It's making me more per day than the ones without it, okay? I can also unstake this NFT and I can sell it on OpenSea right here. Okay, that's another beautiful thing about NFTs. If you can't afford to have it and you don't want it anymore and you need the cash, you can sell this NFT here. Okay, you can put your NFT on OpenSea and sell it. It goes to your MetaMask wallet. It links right up. Okay, not that complicated. Make some passive income. You can even buy NFTs, save them as an investment, and then sell them later because these are just like digital trading cards. Okay, just like if you bought a Michael Jordan basketball card in 1986 and then you saved it until 1998 after he won his 6th championship, and then you sold it. Obviously, you'd make a lot of money on your return. Okay, it's no different than when an NFT. It's the same situation. It's just digital. Okay, good deal. So that's the rundown on Strong Block, on NFTs, on how to make money on it, on the charts on it. I can't really spell it out any better for you than to get in there and get to it. Okay, some guys have already bought NFTs. Some guys already have nodes running. Some already have both. Some don't have any, and that's fine. I want you to do your own thing. I don't want you to necessarily listen to me about what to buy and what to sell. I would like you to listen that there's an opportunity in front of you, and you should be able to get in that opportunity to make good money on it, okay? Now I want to stop and answer some questions because that's the first half an hour. Let me roll back here a little bit. Alrighty. Right, okay, so what Nick said was 10% of one strong per day. That's per node, okay? As the price of strong changes, your ROI will too. If you bought nodes at 163 and the price goes to 300, all of a sudden you're getting your money back faster, okay, than 100 days. Okay, if the price stays the same, it's a 100-day ROI. If it goes down, you're going to be taking longer. If it goes up, you're going to be going faster. Okay. This week should be quite interesting in the space, what Chi-Town said. I totally agree, dude. We are 1 week away from the quarter closing. When the quarter closes, there will be volatility. I promise you there will be volatility. Weekly, monthly, daily, and quarterly, all closing right at the same time. The charts are going to move fast, and they're going to move really, really sharp. So don't say I didn't warn you, okay? That's going to be a big deal. We're going to go over the quarterly charts here in a minute, too. What's up, Oscar? Scalping on strong isn't cool according to Strongers, bro. I call it some shit for showing charts. If you don't want to see a chart, what are you doing buying investments? What the fuck are you doing? If you don't want to see a chart, what are you doing? Come on, man. For real? Yeah, anyway, every chart is every asset is tradable. I don't want to hear it. Every single asset is tradable, and I could show you the evidence from now till I go blue in the face, or I start sitting down to pee. What's up, Ray Rogers? Sentinel chart. We'll do Sentinel chart in a minute, Nick. I'm level 5 now. Oh, Aaron's stupid, dude. It's an inside joke. We've reached level 6. God dang it. The price should increase by a larger percent than BTC, not a larger price. Very good. Very good. Speculative market, nothing solid. I'd agree, Chi-Town. There's nothing guaranteed here, bro. Is that my strong hand? Let me use my strong hand. Y'all remember that from Scary Movie? Hey, what's up, Jane? What Jeremy's saying about write them down, put them in a box. It's your seed phrases. Save them, put them up. You know what I name my nodes, bro. You could see it. What's up, Rick? Are NFTs going to be required for strong nodes? They will eventually be, yes. OpenSea is eBay for NFTs. Very well put, Nick. Let's see. Support the man by hitting like, subscribe, and the bell, guys. Hey, thank you, EJ. Man's giving life-changing info. Well, I don't know if it's life-changing, but I'm trying, bro. Thank you. Try like hell to get my first one. All right, Jeff, I hear you. Oh, absolutely, we checking out other coins. Yep. Just going over strong first because not many people know about it, and people need to know, okay? How many nodes did you start with? That was 3, and I got to 10. Jesus, 5K a month, outstanding. Absolutely, I would agree, bro. That's $52,000 a year. 8 or 9 weeks, Nick, not months. It took 8 or 9 weeks to get to 10. I have one running currently with a bronze NFT attached to it. I'll be buying number 2 this weekend. Let's go. Do I think strong will dip this week? If it does, it won't be much. It's got good support. You're a selfish jerk for buying more than one NFT. I know, right? Whatever, dude. Exactly. 40K after taxes on strong nodes isn't bad. That's a month's. That's a year's salary for a lot of people, okay? That's a lot of people. That's a lot of money for a lot of people, okay? So, all right, let's do the Sentinel chart next because Nick brought that up, and then we'll look at some other market stuff. Here is the Sentinel protocol chart. This is the token that they're working with. they've been making nodes for, okay? Just so happens that this token's making a big fucking cup and handle. What do you know, everybody? There's the cup, here's the handle, and it's going to bounce at some point here. When? Well, we could get technical and find out. How about that? So we got support here. Looks like it's got to come down a touch more. If that doesn't hold, we got more support here. If that doesn't hold, more support here. So Sentinel could come all the way down to 2 cents. Right now it's about 6 cents and some change. We don't know the rewards rate yet for these new nodes coming out. I'm not sure what kind of money they're going to pay us for them. I'm sure it's going to be something worthwhile, okay, or else I wouldn't even be involved in it. But hey, looks like this Sentinel chart needs to bounce a little bit. It looks down at the moment. That's a weekly chart. Here's daily. Daily shows you a little bit better cup and handle perspective. Got this really nasty head and shoulders that formed, and it seemed to be playing out. Eventually this is going to change here, and when it does, it's going to bounce pretty wicked, I think. So there's your Sentinel chart. Right, what Jeremy said, that's almost double what I make working 40 hours a week. Exactly why I'm not going to complain about it, dude. I'm not going to whine. Money is money. I'm not going to bitch and moan about it. I'm going to continue using that to roll over and make new nodes, like I said, until they won't let me anymore, okay? And at that point, I can start reaping those benefits a little bit more how I want to. Y'all guys know my goal. My goal is to be done with working and just to do this for a living only, okay? That's what I want to do for a living. I want to be my own boss. I want to be my own maker. Okay, I don't want anybody telling me what to do. I have a problem with authority as it is. Okay, I don't want to be told what to do. I don't like that. So that's probably my biggest pet peeve in life is I don't like being told what to do. If you can ask me, you can talk to me. That's fine. But when we start being a dick and forcing me to do stuff, I shell up. Okay. What happens when there are no more sellers in the market? You know, bro. Tristan knows. When there's no more sellers, that means there's only buyers. When the buyers come in, that means we're going to go up. All right, so let's go ahead and look at Bitcoin and get this over with. That's stupid. Anybody want to buy a Ford Expedition? I need node money, bro. I feel it, dude. Listen, I strongly debated. I don't mean that as a pun either. I debated pretty hardcore moving some positions around so I could get more money into nodes. But I stopped myself because I want to diversify. I don't want to overdo anything. I don't want to go all in on anything. I don't want to do that. I want to hold the line and be smart about what I'm doing. I don't want to overdo anything. So just like I would tell you, never over leverage, never over trade. I would also say don't overdo it on any one investment. Okay, there's too many out there. Okay. Here's Bitcoin. Obviously, we're floating up here in this zone. We've been in for a long fucking time. Quick glance, we're under the 8 and the 21. That's no bueno. Moving averages are cutting through the 200. That may seem bad to some people, and I'm going to tell you why it's not. Okay, what I like here is all of these moving averages are bunching up tightly. Okay, they're all bunching up, and as they bunch up and they reorganize, we're going to see something interesting happen. Okay, this 200 is going to continue to do something like this. Okay, our blue 100 moving average, which is this one, is going to do something like this. Okay, I'm just spitballing here. It's nothing perfect. And our yellow 50 is going to do something similar. It's going to come out like this and curve a little sharper and faster because it moves faster. All right. But what you're going to have happen is all of these moving averages are going to reset. And as they reset and bunch up, price action is going to get really dicey. What's going to happen? You're going to get this movement where it does something similar to this and floats around, and eventually it's going to pop up and over and set on top again. It's only a matter of time before that happens. These moving averages are going to flatten out. The price is going to bounce around here in range and jump up over these moving averages. Is this the same price that's going to happen? No, that's not a price prediction. That's just price action prediction, okay? I'm not exactly sure what level this is going to happen is. It could go all the way down here to 20. Okay? This green line could come all the way down here and fiddle around and fail all the way down to 20 and then come back. And if that happens, the moving averages are going to come down here instead. You know, they're going to come down here instead. But the same thing is going to happen. These moving averages are going to bunch up together. And when they bunch up, the price section is going to get tight and you're going to get a pop. Okay? It's been my opinion and the opinion of others that this market is not done. This is not done. I see too many incomplete charts. And what I mean by incomplete is they didn't run out their full distance. And if they didn't run out their full distance, they stopped short of where they should have based on chart data. And if they stop short of where they should have, they're probably going to finish off at some point. All right? I've seen too many charts do too many things this time to say this is over. I think this is just a large scale accumulation. Okay? And I think this next leg is going to be as strong. Could be stronger, but I doubt that. I would say as strong as the last one. Okay? I don't think any charts are going to grow up. Okay? Stop using the word moon. Stop using the word pump. Stop using the word dump. You sound unintelligent when you say things like that. And why do I say that? Because seasoned investors in stocks and bonds and equities and stuff like that, they don't use stupid terminology like that, okay? They don't. So when you say things like that, they automatically think you're unintelligent. Okay? Don't want people thinking that. Don't want people thinking you're unintelligent. All right, so right here we do have a head and shoulders forming. What invalidates the head and shoulders? That's if it holds a trend. Is it holding trend? Well, let me show you real quick. I think it is. From here to here. I think we're holding trend. There we go. Struggling with my mouse. Struggling with my mouse work here. There we go. I think we're holding trend here. This can bounce and hold the 50. If it can hold the 50, we're going to bounce off the 30 and move back up. If we can't hold this, clearly we're going to fall to the 100, which is dead at 20,000 right now. Is that foreshadowing? Could be, because our previous all-time high is 20,000. Is that bearish? No, I don't think that's bearish. I think that's bullish. It's just a long-term bullish. Okay, you get a price action that comes down here and fails down here to the 20,000 mark, only to reverse. Not only that, if you really want something that sucks, we could get a extended sideways. Well, that would hurt everybody's feelings, wouldn't it? If this thing just went sideways forever, well, just know it's possible, okay? What if it just floats sideways here? Get the rest of this off. What if this market just floats sideways all the way to this trend line before it bounces again? Boy, wouldn't that piss everybody off? Oh my God. That would move the market till 2023. The next halvening is in 2024. Ooh, that would suck, wouldn't it? Okay? The next halvening isn't all the way over here till 2024. Before we get that next leg up, it's going to come higher. Okay? I don't think that's going to happen. I feel like it's incomplete still. Yes, this was a 1618 and a take profit zone, but this feels incomplete to me. Yes, we got a short signal on the weekly. We do not have a short signal on the monthly. We do have it on the weekly, okay? Right there, 8's under the 21. Can that rebound? Yes, it can. It needs to get moving quickly, though. And by quickly, I mean in the next month. If it doesn't do it in the next month, we're going to get nasty and it's going to go to 20,000. Does that mean alts are going to go with it? Not necessarily. It does not mean that. I just showed you that with the strong chart. Okay, I showed you strong versus BTC and how strong had been moving independently of Bitcoin. Okay, important to understand. That does not mean price is going up. That means it very well could go independently. Okay, some guys over here on the right in the comment section are listing charts that they feel like are incomplete. I think everyone should pay attention to that. All right. Check out the buying pressure on that recent daily candle. I agree, bro. Everything's wicked up. Everything's wicked up. That wick right here with a hammer forming at the bottom, I like that. That looks like good buy pressure to me. I like it. It needs to break the 8 and the 21 and get moving here and reset these moving averages, which may take time. That's why I think it's just going to kind of float sideways here. Okay, I think we're going to get this sideways dull movement on Bitcoin, which is okay. Again, that's okay. But, you know, you could probably get the Renko candles on here and swing trade the shit out of this. I feel like you need to pull up the Assassins panel and show the world. Well, China Matt was cool enough to make us this thing called the Assassins panel. It shows us automatically our 821, our cloud signals, and the MACD for us. Okay, it shows us either long or short. Right now, you see Bitcoin daily is all no's on the long and all yeses on the short, except for one. The cloud is a no, or say two actually. Your conversions are under the base and lag line is below the price, so you got, 5 out of 7 yeses on Bitcoin short. Okay, fair enough. But the Assassins panel is a quick reference to all these. So you could quickly go through these real quick. Look, Algo is no's. No. Okay, Mithril, same way, all no's. EOS, all no's. Ontology, all no's. Bitcoin Diamond, all no's. Strong, almost all yeses. Look at that. Yes, and one no. Okay, it's not 2 over the 8, but it is over the 8 over the 21. We are still long on it. Look at there. And you have no short signals. It's a quick reference guide to blow through all these. If you'd like access to this kind of stuff, feel free to look at the description of the video that you're watching right now and join the Patreon group. You join the Patreon group and sign the waiver, you can join the Telegram group and get this Assassins panel indicator for free. Okay, because that's how cool China Matt is. All right, so NQ, I bought NQ and it bounced. I like that one. Green, where's that at? This thing is down on the day? Yeah, it's down on the day. But I bought this one and it wicked like crazy. Lots of charts are bouncing up off that big nasty move that just happened. Mithril's one of them. Looks like it's going to head back to the 200 and check the 200 here. It needs to get moving though. Again, I think these moving averages are going to kind of reset. They're already bunching up here. See how they're getting close together? All of them getting close together. We're going to get price action one way or the other. I'm here for all of it. Let's look at some of these comments. One node earnings is an entire annual salary in China. That's what Matt just said. Wow. All right. Let's see. Bamp it. One, Tail, XLM, XDC. We'll look at all those. World Economic Forum discussed Ethereum, XRP, XLM, ADA, Algo, follow the elite. Yeah, I don't care about the World Economic Forum at all. That's interesting. Welcome to the channel, by the way. Everyone is equal. I do absolutely no news at all. Everything here is 100% strictly technical analysis, okay? I don't care about any news. I don't care about who bought what. I don't care about what Elon said. It's all waste to me. And next live stream, we're actually going to go over Elon tweets because I want to prove to everybody how wrong you are thinking Elon moves the market. But thank you for being here. I don't mean to scare you off or anything. It's just straight technical analysis only here. XRP bottom is 25 cents. Well, let's look at that real quick. What do you say? Let's see what he sees. Oh no, you're good. No, I don't. Everyone's welcome here. I don't have to agree. That's the beauty of this channel, bro. Agreement is not required. Agreement is not required. You don't have to like the way I do it, and I don't have to like the way you do it, but that doesn't mean we can't get along, okay? I'm just here to show the regular world that you can chart technical analysis and make money on every single asset that there is. This is all you need to make money is the charts and technical analysis. Nothing else needed. Okay, so you got XRP to 27 cents. All right, so if we're looking at let's start on the monthly. Let's just do that first. How about that? Okay, monthly, I see. Let's see. I got resistance here at 64 cents-ish. Actually, you know what? Right about there. I got more hits right here. And I got, yeah. Okay, so 60 cents. I got good resistance at 60. I got pretty good resistance at 42, 41-ish. Okay, and I got a lot of moving averages here. I don't think 25 cents is the bottom. Let's pull a fib on this and get a double check here. Let's see how far back it could pull, because I want to see if 26 cents. I heard someone else say 20s earlier, so that's why you bringing it up is kind of piquing my interest. Here we go, up to here, and all right, so right now we haven't hit the 50 yet. It's like 47 cents is the 50 fib. Came really, really close to it, though. Man, that's close. The next month may make that wick. Look, it tried, but it missed. Okay, that may be it, because there is support here. Like I said, that red line is support. And then this 41 cents is support. Then you got 33 cents to support. Okay, it's going to be tough for that thing to get to 25 cents. It's going to be really hard. In fact, it's either 33 cents or 20 cents. I don't think 25 is a stopping point. I think it would be lower if it got that far. If it got that far, it would be lower. That would be the more important question. If it got that low, stop at 25 or blow through it to 20 cents. And I feel like it would go all the way to 20, but I don't think that's going to happen. I don't think it's going to happen. The bottom very well could be in. If it's not, then it's 41 cents, because I just don't see it going for much farther than that, dude. I don't, because it's the RSI is already way down. It's already way down. I don't know. There's too many. I don't know. I'm not scared of this shit anymore. I'm not scared of it. So, all right. D. Oscar said, "Real talk, homie." Thank you. Yes, I agree that Elon doesn't move the market. Do you think there's a single master computer control the market? Absolutely not. I don't think it's a single master computer. So, an interesting thing that I stumbled upon when Mullet showed me about it was the computer trading that goes on. And then I took it farther. So I found out that roughly 90% plus of all cryptocurrency trades are computer generated trades. They're not us doing anything. It's computers doing it for us, okay? Computers doing it for us. We don't have to do it. It does it for us. It's just a bot that trades up and down nonstop, 24/7, 365 on all time frames. Okay, and it does this without them doing anything. It's purchasable software that you can buy too. I have bots running. Multiple other people in the group here have bots running. It trades for you. Does it make a ton of money? No. But the more you have in it, the more it makes you. Okay, so if you can afford to have a lot in there, you can afford to make more. And that's not one computer doing that. That's just a simple server rack that can do that. However, the faster the speed you have, the more closer you are to the front of the line, the better price you get, the better spread you get, and the better bid price you take. Okay, so this happens not only with crypto. This happens with Forex. This happens with stocks. This happens with bonds. All of it. Okay, we're just doing the crypto part right now. Okay, there's facts. These are facts. This is not me making it up. There's a reason that around New York is where all the major trading firms have offices, and they're all right near the strongest tower possible to pick up the fastest signal and the quickest response time, because they want to be first in line. They're massive warehouses full of servers that trade all day long. There's nothing but servers, IT guys, and security there. Okay? Do you think they have somebody in there clicking buttons? No. It's a server running trades. Non-stop, 100% trade. All right? This is not me making shit up. This is facts. You can look it up yourself. Okay? I encourage everyone to check what I'm saying. You don't have to believe me. I'm just some dude on the internet. But I would ask you that you go do your own research and find out that, okay? Real quick, people are saying stuff. I'm sorry. Let's see. XLM to 2 cents. That's possible, Chi-Town. That red line also lines up with the fib level that it held down for 3 years. Yeah, I saw that, Tristan. You're right. How about feel? Okay, let's look at some of these charts real quick. We're almost out of time. This is Phil for Kelly Slade. Thank you for coming. By the way, Kelly, I know I've been gone for a couple weeks. Weekly short. Daily looks like it's hitting support though. Yeah, you got support right here on Phil. It went really far, really fast. So that's a good idea right there. When I see something fall this far, this fast, I like to try to buy some with a good stop loss. And I like the way this hit support. Could this go down a little more? Yeah. But we already had one wick, and I don't think it's going to go much farther than that 40 bucks, 38 bucks. It's already popped back up to 55. So be wary. This may go faster than you want it to. It also could come back down and recheck this, okay? Let's look at Phil versus versus Bitcoin. I want to see if it's going to decouple or not. Okay. We're kind of jogging sideways. We kind of got an inverse head and shoulders forming right here. That could get us moving. It might not. That's a tough call, and that's not guaranteed here on Phil. It might move sideways, but I don't like too much more down on Phil. Chi-Town wanted one harmony. I remember that one. One's already went really, really far, Chi-Town, so it's got to come back here at some point. As you see, it already blew through and hit its 1618. It's failed 1272. Next stop is going to be maybe 41 cents on one harmony. I don't think it's done falling, bro. It went farther than a lot of other coins. So it may go down more. Yes, there's a chance it comes back up, but it already went down a good bit. Let's pull a fib on that and see how far it could go. I want to see. Do the weekly. It already did its 4,000%, which is phenomenal. That was a phenomenal run. Beautiful inverse head and shoulders, and just left the moon. Past the moon. It went all the way to Venus. Here we go. Yeah, that's going to go farther. It bounced off the 50, but it's stuck under the 8 and the 21. If this doesn't get up and go really, really quickly, it's going to get stuck under 7 cents and fail back down to 3 cents. That sucks, I know. But that would be a good level for it to catch support, or try catching support, is around 3 cents. All right, Tristan, be good. Is that financial advice to buy a skyscraper with a server room? Bro, if I could buy a skyscraper with a server room, I'd be in that bitch right now. Yeah, Chi-Town, maybe 3 cents, 3.5. It'd be a good buy. And if it doesn't hit that spot perfectly, whatever, dude. That's pretty close because it's already way down. What's up with Flamingo coin? Word on the street is to buy and go to the beach. Let me see. Let me see. I definitely don't see buy and go to the beach. It looks like it's jogging sideways. I see it head and shoulders. That spot. Let's do the weekly so it clears up a little bit here. I feel like this is what Strong is going to do. See, Strong is way down here. It hasn't done any of this yet. This is all it's done. It's going to make this similar move and then fade down. Okay, I would expect lots of charts to do that. This is one of those complete charts that I was talking about that's completed its move. Like One Harmony did. Some stuff hasn't. So look at that. It's a perfect 1618 right there. And after this 1618, it did another one. Dude, it did 2 of them. My goodness. This was the first one. Then this was the second one. Wow. Yeah, so let's see if we can find a stopping point here on Flamingo coin. It's a shitter, so you gotta be careful on these shitters. Never put a lot of faith in a shitter. Come on, dude. There's no shitter on earth I'm gonna put a lot of faith in. It is sitting on the 50 fib. I like that. But if it can't hold 38 cents, it's heading to 29 cents. It's as simple as that. Simple as that. Hold 38 or head back to 29. If it can't hold 29, I promise you it's heading back down toward 19 cents. So be careful. Set stop losses. Set stop losses. Set stop losses. All right. All right. So look, 12 o'clock. That's all. We'll come back and do some more on Thursday. We'll dig back into the market some more. We'll have a couple more days, a couple more times to look at charts and let things rest out here. Thank everybody for coming. I appreciate it. Was up to like 42 people at one point. I don't expect a lot of people to come in here, but the ones who do, I feel like we're going to learn and grow together. So thank y'all for coming through. I appreciate every single person. Thank you, Benjamin, for the donation. I appreciate it, brother. I'll see y'all back on Thursday. Y'all are awesome. Y'all be good.